Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a prescribed discount for a child or at a service level. To create a prescribed discount for a child, go to the child's details page and then click on the discount tab. Then you're going to click here to create a new discount. Select the child's enrolment, select the effective from date and to date, and in the discount type, you will select one of those prescribed discounts. Now remember, prescribed discounts are discounts that are discounted off the child's gap fee rather than the session fee. You will need to select the applicable prescribed discount that matches the situation. So for example, a staff discount, you would select ECEC educator or cook discount. If the local area has been deemed an emergency by CCS, for example, cyclones, floods, fires, etc., the prescribed period of emergency is the prescribed discount type you would select. You would then select the percentage amount. So this is the percentage that comes off the gap fee. If you wanted to add in an amount limit, you can do so. It is not mandatory, and that means if I was to put $1,000 in there, the discount would run until that amount limit has been reached. So you can control the amount of discount that child would get over a period of time. Select the discount category. If one is not there that suits your situation, you can go ahead and create a new one if you've got your user role attribute. Select the days you wish for this discount to apply. Select the room you wish for it to apply, or you can select all rooms and then click Save. So therefore, the child is now set up with a staff discount. This is the same process on the service discounts. So you would click on your service menu, click on Details, and click on Discounts. On the customer account statement, on the account transactions section, all prescribed discounts are reported to ensure that this is reported to the Guardian. If you require any further information on how to create a prescribed discount in Kidsoft, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.